In this tutorial, we are going to learn that how can we add the disclosure in the single articles. So go in Affiliate Booster theme panel, layouts and disclosure layout. This is the area where you can define your disclosure. If you don't know what is disclosure, disclosure is basically a notice to your blog readers where you are telling that this article is an affiliate article. So basically this feature is very much important for the affiliates because as per the FTC guidelines, if you are doing affiliate marketing, you should clearly state that in this article we have inserted affiliate links. So that's why we have added the disclosure option inside the theme. So let's say you want to say that this is an affiliate article. So this is your text, right? Now you want to enable it. Just go there, click on enable, and now you would see the disclosure here. Now basically this disclosure is coming above the title. If you want to make it below the title, just click on it and it will come below the title now. Do you want to make it below the content? Just click on it and now it would come just at the end of the article. Let me scroll it to the end and you would see the disclosure coming here. Right, so this is how you can display your disclosure at 3 different places: above title, below title and below content. So we have given the settings to make the changes in the disclosure. So paddings are basically the spacings around this particular area. If you want to make the spacing less, let's make it 10. Here I would make it 10, 10 and all 10. So if I do all the settings as 10, now you see it is thinner now. Okay, we can change the typography also. Do you want to change the color? Okay, now the color has changed. Perfect. If you want to change the background color also, so just go there, pick any background color and now you would see the disclosure area with a different background color. So this is how you can do the disclosure settings and this is how you can display the disclosure anywhere in your article. And here is one important thing to notice, that this disclosure will be visible in the all of your articles. There is no setting in the theme where you can display this disclosure on any specific post. If you enable it, it will be visible on all of your posts. Okay, so keep it in your mind. Either it will be visible on all posts or it won't be visible on all posts.